All right, so here we are in doubles again. I think we're in doubles round 3. So winner is round 3.
What's up, partner? It's been a while, my guy.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Here we go.
Whose popcorn is this?
Great question. I have no idea. So we're here in winners round 3. We got Draxsel and Joe J versus Frost and Vendetta.
Have you tried this?
I have not. How is it? Give me. Ooh. It's good.
Yeah, man.
That's crazy good. Oh my god.
Ask him.
That's so sweet.
He's the popcorn god.
I've heard. That's incredible. I don't know how you get all that flavor in such a tiny kernel. So here in round 3, in doubles at MISFIRE, so we're gonna see Cloud Diddy with Draxsel and Joe J versus a Ryu Mario in Frost and Vendetta.
Yo, up tilt combos versus up air combos.
Exactly. So we're gonna see how this goes.
Yeah.
And
now the real question is Ryu and Mario? I mean, not Ryu and Mario, but Diddy Kong. Well, actually, is everybody gonna be able to stay grounded? That's
exactly. That's pretty much it. And
once you're in the air, you're kind of in a bad position.
Yeah,
with every character on this stage.
It's gonna be a juggle match, right? It's just like everybody, as soon as they get up there, it's just gonna stay up there.
Yeah.
And
now, Cloud's already.
Oh, he's dead.
He's alive.
Okay.
I personally think he should have caped him, honestly.
Yeah, I think he just had to recover first. I think that was like, at least in his mind, he was like, I need to get back to stage, right? Like, kind of a scary situation to be in. You don't want to get hit by. Ooh, wow, F smash from Frost. Wow. Throws that head back, does not connect though. So,
does not.
Oh, wow, F smash knocking him off stage. Did not take Joe J's stock. He's going to try to recover here. Does make it back.
That was a very good recovery by Joe J.
Absolutely.
Oh no!
Blade Beam takes the first stock.
Yeah, first blood goes to red team.
Ooh, boy. So, an interesting fashion too, right? Like with the Blade Beam there, Limit Blade Beam.
It was a really weird option, but I guess I can see why you would do that.
Yeah, I mean, exactly, yeah.
Oh,
the Shoryu! Wake up, Shoryu!
Right back with Wake Up DP!
It's like it's Street Fighter 2 out here.
Exactly.
Okay, throws the Blade Beam, knocks Frost back. Up airs his teammate, not great, as Draxsel's going to take Joe J's stock there. So, blue team with a stock lead, but that 5th stock is looking pretty unhealthy with Frost over there.
Ooh, Draxsel.
Yeah, he's got stage spiked, and he's going to die for that.
That's so lame.
He's going to die for that one, and now there's quite the advantage for blue team right now.
Yes, there is.
So Joe J throwing Vendetta off stage here.
Vendetta easily makes it back.
Oh yeah. Yeah, nobody even really challenged him, yeah. Okay, thrown off stage is Frost. Also makes it back pretty well. Juggling up there is Draxsel.
Oh, short hop fair, almost sending Mario to the blast zone just now.
Does survive, good DI.
Yeah, that's a really good, fair to up air. Not true combos, but they still work.
Oh man.
So right now it seems that blue team, well, it's pretty much even.
Ooh, and
never mind.
About that,
yeah.
Kick in the face, and red team on both their last stocks now. So we'll see how this goes.
Very unfortunate set for red team.
Yeah, I mean they had a team kill, they had a early stock loss, but that up B right there, what is it? Climb hazard, right?
Yeah.
Takes him out.
Yeah, it would have been really funny if it did the thing where it did damage, but it did
no knockback.
Yeah.
Exactly. I don't even know why that happens sometimes.
Yeah, man, it's a really weird glitch in this game.
Oh yeah. So Vendetta get carried up there. Nice little combo from red team. Oh, hits him. Oh, very smart. Very smart. Uses the monkey flip to come in and save his teammate from the impending doom of the Shoryu. Really.
Yeah. Ooh, that down air. Is that gonna kill him?
Oh,
yeah,
Joe J's done.
Yeah, that down air was really unexpected.
We got Draxsel alone, just runs up. Shoryu's him.
Dead.
Man.
Can somebody? Oh, wrong set.
Wrong side. I got it.
There we go.
I got you.
Can somebody say deleted?
He just ran up on him.
Yeah, he literally just went deleted. Delete this character.
Oops, not -1.
-1.
Hit him so hard.
They're so bad. Yeah, they're so bad that they get -1 games.
All right, so we're going to game 2. I wonder if we see any character switches. I don't think we will. I think they're all going to look pretty, they all seem pretty comfortable with the characters right now.
I'm going to stop eating all his popcorn because that popcorn is really good.
It's really good.
All right. So I believe that they're doing counter picks at the moment right now.
Yeah.
Let me fix my
stage deliberations, as it were.
Oh, heck yeah. So, interesting thing about the matchup between Cloud and Mario, really the only thing that Mario really needs to do is just get you off stage, and then you're already in a very bad position.
Yeah, you know, he's got the cape.
On paper, Cloud wins the Mario matchup.
He does, because you know, he's got great neutral, he's got great combo game. You know, you can't get through all those disjoints. So.
Exactly.
But here we go into game 2 on FD. So, could be our final destination.
Yeah. Yo, Frost starting off with that cheesy down tilt, trying to get some early stock damage, but they were both ready for it and they shielded.
All right, so down tilt's coming in from Vendetta on Draxsel, but he gets saved by Joe J from any crazy combos here. Ooh, okay, Vendetta. Nice. As Joe J off stage.
Not enough
covers the monkey flip, yeah. Ooh, okay, go for the dares, Vendetta after the...
Oh, Shoryu's, that's gonna take a stock! Rip.
First stock. Again, first blood for blue team.
Ooh, he tried to do up tilt to down air just now.
Looking for the absolute deletion, you know what I mean? You said it before.
Yeah.
He's looking to just end
Delete
people's lives
stocks,
out here.
Right?
Yeah.
Now, it seems that blue team's trying to get a really good...
There it is again. Down tilt Shoryu, he's gone,
He's deleting people. This man is hacked into the coding of the game, and it's like, yo, delete these stocks off my game.
He's like, get him off my screen. I don't want to look at that. That's gross.
Right.
Look at his stupid hair.
Right. Oh my god, my lord. All right, so 2 stocks, 2 stocks, 3 stocks, 2 stocks.
Yeah.
So
a good little stock lead again. Those unhealthy stocks from blue team right now. So anything could really take him out. But Joe J off stage now.
Oh, that
blade beam
kill.
and the up air.
And the up air. Wow,
we're back.
Draxsel cleaning up house.
Yeah. He brings it right back.
Yeah.
So grab here from Frost, follows up with a back air from Vendetta, hits both his teammate and Joe J.
Worth.
Yeah, exactly. You'll take
Pretty
what you can,
worth.
I guess, yeah. Good damage, at least.
Well, yeah, it was very good damage. It did 50% to
exactly.
I don't think it did 50. I think the entire combo left him at 50.
Yeah. So down smash from Draxsel, knocking Vendetta off stage. He's going to recover pretty cleanly as nobody really looking at him over there.
Yeah. Ooh, that was a very unsafe position for Vendetta and Joe J.
Yeah, everything was scary. He tries to go for it. Wow. He tried to go for that finishing touch after the throw. I like it, though. You got to do what you got to do sometimes, you know?
Yeah. Is he going to wake up DP again?
He might.
I feel like he...
I think next time he's down, he's going for it. Yeah. There it is.
I knew it. I'm like, yo, he's looking for the Shoryu right now. I know he is.
He throws it out, man. Throws him off stage.
It seems that Draxsel and Joji are just trying to throw to each other, and it's not working out. I mean,
right there.
that back air worked out.
Yeah.
But they're going for grab combos, which is not really good against Ryu.
No,
like,
yeah.
You get in, I'm going to up tilt you 7 times, then Shoryuken you.
Exactly.
Also, Draxsel is dead.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
In other news.
So we got a high percent Mario here on blue team.
Yeah.
We have, you know.
Yo, that was a real Street Fighter combo I just saw this man do. What? That was an actual Street Fighter combo.
Vendetta, he's got that Ryu, man. Like, it's scary. All right, so the juggles here, keeping Vendetta up in the air.
Mario still has 2 stocks.
Exactly, very unhealthy still. He's like anything to take him out, and that down smash will do it.
Yeah.
So all teams, last stock situation. Joe J looking a little unhealthy, looking a little in peril.
Joe J looking kind of free right now. Like a free kill right now.
Yeah, all it takes is that up tilt, down tilt, whatever Vendetta can get, and he'll Shoryu him.
Or just a Mario up smash.
Exactly, yeah, but...
Maybe charge one.
All right, so we have fully charged limit Draxsel.
Yep.
And no punish after the dash tag.
Draxsel's still at a very clean 19%. He's doing a really good job of spacing himself out from Mario and Ryu. He's just trying to punish one of them the minute they go for Diddy Kong.
Yeah, exactly. Ooh, okay.
Oh, nice back air.
So we have Vendetta off stage, high percent. So, wow, just kicks him right in the face. If he was at a high percent,
he would have probably died.
Oh, the throw to the cross slash. There he goes, Vendetta. Now down to just Frost.
Oh, he caught the banana. He's got banana.
Let's see what he can do with it. I mean... Oh, okay, Draxsel slips. He was looking for him to jump away from it.
Yeah.
So, it's not looking good for Frost right here.
Not really.
Rolls away, gets 2 rolls in. Throws him.
Throws the banana. Gets
down
hit.
smash. Wow, he's just cleaning off the stage right now. Give himself some time. Banana out. Gets picked up. Nobody
Dash
really...
attack to grab the banana. I've never seen that.
And I was going to say, nobody really challenged it. You know what I mean? Like, he grabbed...
Oh, the up smash.
After the spot dodge. So now we have a one-on-one situation. Draxsel versus Frost.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see what they can do.
He gets the grab here.
He's really going for these up airs right now.
Yeah, and he's not connecting. Back air, he's going to get grabbed.
Oh, that up smash. That was really smart.
Yeah. slid right into it.
Yeah.
Hold on. So we're even on percent.
Even if he air dodged, he still would have got hit by that.
Exactly.
Oh, Cloud has got limit on deck now.
Yeah, this is really scary for both of them. They have even percent. Ooh, gets the down air. Couldn't get the up air.
Oh, you went for the jab lock?
Yeah. Nice tech. Okay.
Really good tech.
The F air comes out.
Oh,
reads the roll, and he's done so.
I would have just neutral got up and shielded.
Yeah.
Or just waited.
Yeah, but nevertheless, Draxsel, Joe J take game 2.
Yep.
So, interested to see where we go now, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Where do you think, what stage you thinking?
Maybe they're probably going to counterpick to probably Lilat, maybe? Perhaps?
Yeah, I guess that makes sense. You have two people who have, pretty exploitable recoveries there, too.
Did they play on Town yet?
Did they play on Town? Where did they play first?
I don't think they played on Town.
No, they
played
played
Smashville first.
Yeah.
So maybe they might go Town or Lilat. That's what I'm thinking.
Lilat wouldn't be a bad idea, yeah. Let's see where we go, though. Talking it out. Get some strategy going.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Maybe they ban Town.
Maybe. Perhaps.
Oh,
they didn't, and there we go. We're going to Town.
The mental capacity of your boy. Oh, do we have player cam on? Oh, we don't need player cam.
Yeah, we don't need it. So we go into game 3. All right, so little monkey flip there from Joe J. 6% on cross slash, putting more percent on Vendetta. Up throw. Vendetta kind of getting juggled.
Yeah.
He makes it back down here with the focus, carrying Draxsel way off to the side here.
Oh, that would have been a good down air too. Like,
exactly.
Oh no.
Tatsu's. It's all right. He's back.
Okay. I was gonna be like, yo, did he not have a jump? I was gonna be like, oh my lord, that is unfortunate, my guy.
Oh, almost spiked his teammate.
Yeah.
And then on top of that, Frost almost got a nice little F smash right on the sweet spot, but almost only counts with horseshoes and hand grenades in it, right?
Right.
So,
good fair. I'm not sure if that was nair or fair.
I couldn't tell.
All I know is, oh, the short you, he's dead. Deleted.
Draxsel
Another one?
almost got a nice little fair spike, but just barely missed it. So, lots of rolling from Frost right now. I'm gonna throw that one out there. I don't know if I wouldn't say he's rolling too much because it seems to be working.
Oh no, he's short you'd Mario, and then he gets
F smashed. That's unfortunate.
Well, now they are now in the deficit here, but they're not too far behind.
Yeah, I mean, like right there. Yep, there it goes.
Delete.
And we're right back to it. We're even again.
The name of the set will just be deleted. The game.
Exactly. With all these shoryus, man.
Right. Everybody's just like everybody on the stage right now has like a kill move that just sends you flying.
Exactly. Usually off the top too.
Yeah. Other than Diddy Kong. Diddy Kong's got that F smash. Maybe an up smash too.
Just an up smash.
Yeah.
All right. Up tilt. He deals with that too sometimes. So Draxsel and looking for the roll read. Didn't get a shoryu for it.
He tried to double shoryu.
Tried to get him with the lotus.
Double shoryu. Ooh, went for the back air.
Oh, okay, the ledge trump.
I thought he was gonna back air him again.
Yeah, I think he was just kind of afraid of like an air or something. So Joe J.
Oh, he went for the down air, the cheeky down air.
Yeah, exactly. As I was gonna say, Joe J was in a bit of trouble right there. He gets up, gets grabbed by Vendetta.
Oh, he throws him back, so he gets up smash.
Wow, that was really smart.
Yeah.
Very heads-up play by Vendetta. So, back air is going to take that stock.
Yeah. Now they are not in the deficit anymore.
No, they are in the driver's seat, but the dash attack is going to take Vendetta's stock.
Yep.
So
now, Mario needs to get back to stage now.
Yeah,
instead
absolutely.
of getting ledge trumped like 3 times in a row.
So he needs to keep the stock, you know what I mean? He just needs to stay alive, not get beaten up here by Joe J or anything, you know?
That Sakuretsu almost took his jump just then.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that would have been sick.
So Frost working on Vendetta.
Yeah.
Not Vendetta, I'm sorry.
Is going off. Frost is still alive with that
DI.
perfectionist DI.
Okay, using that focus to get through again. He's dead. No, he's not.
No, he's not.
No, he's not. He's back.
One more?
There it is.
I knew it! Deleted it!
The bait.
One more? Question mark?
Yeah. The back air is going to take that side. Uno mas.
Oh,
the
that read.
And now we have a one-on-one, but we have a fresh Frost versus Draxsel.
Right. Now, can Draxsel clutch this out? He's not playing Falcon, so...
Yeah, but I mean, it's Draxsel. You know what I mean? He's a very high-caliber player.
Yeah.
He's got great skills. It is a hard deficit to come back from. Oh, looking for the up air. Did not get it. But Frost, no slouch himself. Oh, gets air dodge reads. Okay.
Up smash? No. I thought he was going to land up there with an up smash or something.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Not again.
Yeah, we got another limit on deck
Careful.
here. This is when things
You
get
gotta
scary.
catch him when he jumps. He's just gotta catch him when he jumps. Don't get red.
Okay. He's got to kick back down on top of him. Oh, that was scary.
Oh no, that was a bad option. Oh, now we're back to the same option. Will you get up?
Hazard climb.
Yeah.
Reads it, and Draxsel and Joe J take it 2-1
Yep.
over Frost and Vendetta. Well done.
GG's, boys.
Well done.
GG's.